Hello, my name is Abdullah from Ishik High School, and I'm grade 11. Here I announce a new era of aviation. I made a plane that is powered by only supercapacitors, which are batteries, but an advanced battery. Let's get into the informations. This plane, I call it a shockwave powered jet. What is a shockwave powered jet? A shockwave powered jet is, for instance, the plane. It's powered by batteries, 3 largest batteries which can make up to 80 megawatts, that it can reach to the speed of Mach 2, with twice the speed of sound. And as we know, batteries aren't infinite, they will go out of charge, right? So I found a way to recharge the batteries, so that the plane can stay in the sky for 1 week minimum and 1 month maximum. Here, when it reached Mach 2, speed Mach 2, a shockwave cone will appear, which is a cloud, and we have ASEP, Advanced Shockwave Energy Panels, which will automatically open and vacuum in the energies. Then by a scientific process that has been proven, we change it to electric energy, and this cycle will power the supercapacitors for the amount that we need it to be in the sky. And it can most probably stay in the sky for 3 to 4 weeks.